Now it's working. Look how thick these things are.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go up to 4.
This is an incredible find. Yeah.
Do you have to shut it or is it?
Try it. I hit 4.
This is a birdcage elevator.
Can't believe this one's barely been touched.
So these are what the Macy's elevator probably looked like before they were mounted by Westy.
Tempo permit.
Ah, really? Oh yeah, it's caught the disease. I like those windows, the slanted windows.
Yeah, that's clever.
We're at 4.
It smells like fast food in here.
Yeah, it does.
BL2.
Try B, it might be in.
Are these flush line? Oh, they painted over.
Oh, gate closes automatically. Derp.
Oh, GAL.
Aha. This is the second caged elevator I've been in that has a side door.
Oh, look at the counterweight.
Oh.
Gotta give this one a couple of rides.
Andrews is gonna flip over this.
Oh, look at this. Fleur-de-lis. Love that.
I'm gonna flip off my dad.
Oh, wow, you're nice.
It's a joke we have. He flips me off, I flip him off.
Different door sills.
Yep. That one has the Spencer elevator logo, and I'm gonna watch that counterweight.
That's a double.
This is sick.
Yeah, this is cool.
I swear. You've been hogging the buttons. Let me hit the next one.
Fair enough. This thing's hot though.
Here, I want to try something. So, that's it. I'm gonna try opening up. Oh, there's offices right there, but
It's a hallway.
Okay. I want to see if it closes automatically.
Okay. Oh, there's a balcony? Oh, it's off for the stairs. Flashlight call button.
Okay, I'm running out of battery.
Me too.
Okay, now. Yep, there we go.
Double trouble.
This is probably a winding drum attraction. Sounds like it.
Oh, really? Good ear.
Oh, nope, this is Otis.
Is it really? Does it say? Oh, it says it, yeah.
Otis mod by Spencer. Or Spencer mod Otis. I don't know. I don't mind this mod though.
Neither.
I'll let you leave the gate open, unless you want to get another ride. Wow, that was delayed.
Last one though, my battery's almost done.
Oh look, there's
an
Otis logo right there.
It's so cool. That's a big one.
Uh-huh.
You know how old this thing probably is?
It's probably from the, I'm guessing, late 1890s or early 1900s.
Don't forget the 1906 earthquake. Borgia room.
Yep.
I bet you this is the same cab as the Borgia.
It is. I think so.
We can see the cables.
Just to be fair, I want to press it to lobby. Oh, I see a paper clip.
Randomly.
Try to look through that window. Nope. I just stick my finger out in the shaft.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. Counterweight.
Yeah, especially with that counterweight going on.
So there, I bet this used to be manual. This
It probably was. Look at that phone. I would probably just slap it on.
Yeah. You didn't even need it.
Okay, my dad has to ride this thing.
Let me get a view of the Spencer Dorso. Here, my battery. I'm blinking.
You're gonna have to ride this thing. It's awesome.
Okay. Wait.
Look at that little button right there.
Wow. This is incredible. That is it.